step-by-step guide on how you can use Onepay at Walmart. So I'm currently on the Walmart website and you want to search for the item which you're trying to purchase. I'll just search for a ring and see any rings which I like here. So for example, let's say that I want to purchase this ring. Click on the item itself and then you want to select add to cart here on the right. Now once you select add to cart, I'm gonna click on no thanks. Then I will view my cart. Once you view your cart, then you will see the option Onepay later powered by Klarna, and you can learn more. So here if we click on learn more, then you will see that this is an option. So this is going to be an example payment plan for our current amount. So it's going to be $139 and this is what it gives us. So $47.42 with a 13.99 APR, and here you have an option for 6 months and also for 12 months. Basically you will add eligible items to your cart, purchases between $25 and $6,000. You will choose pay over time with Onepay, so it's going to be this option right here, and you will complete your Walmart checkout, and afterwards it's going to do everything else for you and you will just pay using Onepay. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.